Hi guys, Kevin Fada here and welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about setting up your payment links, and I just want to say it's a little bit different than other networks I've used to work with. In this case you're going to be creating your own order page. Normally if you're using ClickBank, JVZoo or Your Plus or anything like that, when you click the buy now button you're taken directly to their page. In this case you have to create your own order page and it has to be part of the steps inside your funnel. The next part is the upsell. It's the exact same. You have to use the upsell features that System E provides you and not try to skip that step. The way the upsells work like this, they actually work like real upsells. So nobody can purchase the upsell unless they've actually purchased the front end product. There's a handful of processes to do it like this, and it is pretty cool. You just have to know how to set it up. And keep in mind that if you try and view, I mentioned this before, if you try and view the upsell page with a direct URL, it will not allow you to access it if you're trying to test it that way. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the buy now buttons using System E, and I'm going to show you how to set up the upsell. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is create a new order page. Now, I've already got an order page created here. If you've not done that already, just click on Add Step. Just call it Order. I'm just going to call it Test because I already have one. And scroll down and you will see Order Page. Click on Save. And from here, it's going to bring up all these templates that you can choose. So for example, I would like to select this template here. And now our order page is created. We can just click Save and it's going to be part of the funnel. So I'm just going to remove that now and I'm just going to use the one I already created. So this is the order page. This is the sales page. Keeping in mind that I had this connected to Warrior Plus. I'm just going to edit it now so it works with System E. The easiest way, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to remove the buy now buttons, or I can place one in below it first. And on the menu here, you've got all your elements. I'm going to put in payment redirect button. And here you've got purchase. So you can edit that any way you want and change the text as well. So click here to get started. We can change the background color. And okay, excellent. So if we do it like this, click here to get started. I would like a little bit of a border on it. Okay, excellent. So all I need to do now is basically duplicate that button and move it around the sales funnel. Sometimes drag and drop when you've got a long sales page like this. You can just zoom out. It might be easier. So again, just clone. That should do it. And obviously remove the other buttons that are there. Okay, excellent. So I'm just going to delete these previous buy now buttons and we can test this. Okay, excellent. Click on Save. Click on Preview. And click here to get started. And we're taken to the order form page where basically I'm using Stripe. So people have straight away enter their credit card number, you're paid, to deliver the file, to deliver the follow-up email. It is as simple as that, basically, once you've connected your Stripe API, which I showed you guys at the start of this. So that is the front end product, right? So just please keep in mind the upsell is a little bit different. If you've got Warrior Plus, if it's a sales page, you can ignore that. What you want if you're using System E, it must be an upsell page. Okay, so I'll edit the page. And what the way it does basically is the same again. You have two options here. You've got accept the upsell. If you follow my mouse here on the left, which when I put in accept the upsell, it's going to put in that button. Or you put in decline the upsell. So basically, no, I don't want to take advantage of this. You don't really need to code these or change any of the links or anything like that. Just have them buttons in place, and obviously you can change the text if you want and add subtext. So that is it. Now, again, if I try and I won't be able to purchase that through a test purchase without purchasing the actual, the page has been saved, save yes, without purchasing the upsell offer first. So that is exactly how it works. All right, the next thing, sorry, I almost forgot this. This is important, is the pricing plans. When you're setting up your products, you can see here the sales page, the order form. When you create the order form, you've got the pricing plans in the order form. For the upsell, the pricing plans are here. So what I did is you can add coupons as well and all that stuff here, but pricing plans is here. You've got one-time payment, subscription payment, or payment plans. So if I want to do a one-time payment, and let's say I've already set up pricing plans for $7 and 17, and if I want to create a new pricing plan, I'll just go like this. So one-time payment 47, and we can do the same one-time payment $47. The statement name, what will be shown on the statement when to purchase? Obviously put in your own name. And a price and plan type one time. The price amount $47. Click on save, and that's it. So that's now created, and it can be used over and over again. So that is pricing, how you set the pricing for your products. Again, guys, it's a little bit different. That's why I'm creating this video training course. But once you get into it and use it, it's a pretty cool system as well. Okay, cheers.